Hello guys, this is just a little video to explain the evaluation and specifically the materials that we'll be using as we go through this unit. So this document should have been accessed and basically, like the outcome booklet, is the Bible for everything that we'll be referring to from here on in. So I think it's really important that you do refer back to this when you've got a question because we have collated these materials for a specific reason. So, just as a brief overview, the evaluation is the final of the 3 research project assessments. Um, Basically, it's a chance for you to look back over your project and to evaluate whether the processes you undertook were appropriate, whether you were able to actually respond to the challenges and opportunities that arose, and then if you were able to produce an outcome that resolved the question in a way that was suitable. So basically, we're going to work through this booklet and the evaluation over the next few weeks. We're going to ask you to complete several formative activities which will form the basis of your evaluation. We'll show you some examples, and then the rest of this booklet is designed to scaffold you through this process. Probably the main thing that you need to be aware of is the word of judgment. Okay? As long as you are making a judgment, then you're doing the evaluation. If you then give us a reason why you made that judgment, you're then doing the evaluation pretty well. And if you then give us an explanation of the effect of that judgment on your research, your outcome, or your decision making process and subsequent research, then you're probably doing the evaluation quite well. So, to give you a bit of an overview, the evaluation is shorter than the outcome. It's only 1,500 words. It does have a 150 word summary because you do have to remember that this is your externally assessed piece. The marker who sees the evaluation is not the same marker who sees your folio and or your outcome. And so that means that the summary is just a very short, sharp, shiny overview of your research. Just gives them a sense of what you did. Our timeline is approximately 5 weeks for completion of the draft. Typically, we then will give you the holiday period to go over your folio, and then we give you back your evaluation in the first week of term 4. But if we are super speedy, then we'll get that smashed out earlier. The earlier we finish this, the earlier you guys pick up study lines. So it's one just to kind of smash out and get going with. We also will give you back your folio once your evaluation draft is finished. So the quicker you get your evaluation done, the earlier you get your folio back for review. So 3 marking criteria plus the S3 criteria, which is your writing criteria. So there's 4 in total, each worth 25%. On this page, we've just got the evaluation assessment design so that you can see what we're marking you for in terms of judgment. Basically, 3 sections, so the paper is structured into 3 pieces: processes, decisions, outcome. So that is all, just 3 areas. No introduction or conclusion required. It is just a chance for you to write to the standards, and you don't need to do anything beside that. So there's another video that will explain in a little bit more detail what to do next.